ka in love kay Jesus?
Simple lang. Kasi He never stopped loving me. And you know what? He even loved me better than I love myself. Basta, ewan ko ba, simula nung makilala ko siya, doon ko simulang mahalin muna yung sarili ko. Kasi pala, if you first love yourself and also Him, doon mo matatagpuan yung kaligayahang hindi ko natagpuan sa mga past relationship ko. Tsaka, simula nung makilala ko siya, doon ko nalaman kung gaano niya ako kamahal, na kahit na ang dami-dami ko ng kasalanan, pinatawad niya pa rin ako. And He even loves me unconditionally. Siguro, hindi lahat ng tao naiintindihan kung bakit ganito ako ka-in-love kay Jesus. Pero, one thing for sure, if you will just let Him be the center of your life, and if you will just let Him take over your life, you will also feel the same way I'm feeling right now.